is an ordinary pie pan. Swirl the pan like so, in a back and forth motion. This separates the lighter parts from the heavier parts. Water in the lighter parts spill out. Add some more water and do the swirl again. You just want the heavier stuff to stay in the pan, like black sand, pebbles, and hopefully... Wait a minute, is that gold? It is! Gold! I found gold! Yeehaw! It's gold!
Time to pan for gold, fellow prospectors! Onward and onward!
Oh, come on, that was my nose. Right in my nose.
What's that for? All the gold we're gonna find? He's such a water bowl half full kind of dog. Love him! No, gold! I think I found gold, look!
That gold will be mine.
Well, this kind of looks like gold, but it's also different. It's not as shiny.
The color is more orangey yellow.
And it breaks. Oh, gold doesn't break.
Oh boy, it smells like eggs!
It's called pyrite. Some call it fool's gold. It's certainly a beautiful rock, but it's not gold.
Yeah, it's not gold. But at least I can add it to my collection. Well, thank you guys for trying. But we've been out here all day. We haven't found zilch. I guess it's time to pack it up.
Oh, really, Squeaks?
Oh, don't worry, little buddy. We can try again tomorrow. Gold!
It's really shiny.
And yellow?
And it doesn't break! And it smells a little like metal!
It's mine. All mine. I told you. I told you.
Gold!
Gold. Who got the gold? I got the gold.
I'll take that, thank you.
No, mine. Who got the gold? I got the gold.
Guess again. Mine.
Mine. Yours.
Nope, mine.
It is mine.
Oh, he's getting away with the gold.
Not on my watch, Squeaks. Time to get the gold back. Tally-ho!
You got is trouble.
I honestly cannot argue with that statement.
Oh, you're losing your grip. Here, let me help you. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy said bye-bye.
Oh, hello, Ronald.
You were just... How did you...
A nugget of gold for a mouse with a heart of gold.
Thank you so much, Nature Cat.
Anything for you, Squeaks.